welcome back to Mama Joan's house where it's hot, and you guys know what I mean when I said it's hot. It's hot like a Scotch bonnet. Pepper, guys. Anyway, guys, welcome back. Today, guys, I'm gonna share one of my special salad recipe with you guys. I'm gonna make a beef stir-fry Thai salad. Okay, guys, so that's what I'm gonna share with you guys today, and I'm gonna get into the ingredients with you. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. So guys, for this recipe, for this Thai salad recipe that I'm going to share with you, I'm gonna get into the ingredients. This is a pound and a quarter of sirloin top steak that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna, this is the steak I'm gonna use, and for the marinade that we're gonna use to marinate the sauce, I'm gonna use, this is 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And in this one here, I have 1 teaspoon of Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 teaspoon of Thai chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. So all these 6 ingredients, we're going to mix it together. I already pre-mix it, and this is what it looked like. So I pre-mixed this. So this is what we're going to use to marinate the chicken. Sorry, not chicken. This is what we're going to use to marinate the beef into. This is the marinated sauce. Okay. So now for the beef, I'm going to cut the beef in small strips. So I'm going to cut one here. I'm going to cut this into small strips like this. Hope you guys can see it. And then I'm going to stir fry this. But before I stir fry it, I'm going to marinate it in the sauce for 10 minutes. So guys, this is what it looks like after I finish cut it up in strips. Now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of powder seasoning on it. So I'm gonna use about half a teaspoon. This is Montreal seasoning, half a teaspoon of that. Another half a teaspoon of my favorite garlic plus, half a teaspoon I'm sprinkling on it, half a teaspoon, guys, and half a teaspoon of spicy pepper melody. Okay. Then now I'm gonna mix this together, and then I'm gonna throw my marinade on top of it. And don't forget some black pepper. Same half a teaspoon of black pepper. If you need to add salt, you can add salt. I don't add any salt to it because you know you have salt already in the powder seasoning. So I'm gonna pour this over the meat. There we go. Stir it in, and then I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. This smells gorgeous. You can smell the ginger and the garlic. There you go. This is what it look like. Okay, so I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. Cover it up, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and get into the salad. So the beef is marinated for 15 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get into the salad. For the salad that I'm gonna make, I'm gonna use 1 romaine lettuce. I'm gonna use 1 sweet pepper, 1 yellow sweet pepper, and a red sweet pepper. and I use a cup of cherry tomatoes and 1 cucumber, and I'm gonna use a half of this red onion. I'm not gonna use the whole one. Okay, so this is for the salad. Whew. Okay guys, it is so hot in the house. So guys, this is what it look like. So I'm gonna preheat. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes. So I'm preheating the oven now on 450. Okay, and I'm gonna go over to the salad and get the salad together. So guys, I'm right back. Now I'm gonna stir fry the vegetable. So the cucumber in. I'm gonna do the cucumber. I'm gonna put the pepper. So I'm gonna stir fry the cucumber and the pepper. Let me make you guys see what I'm doing. Now I'm doing the tomato and the onion. So this is what the tomato and the onion look like. And this one, how it's well chilled. Okay. So the tomato and the onion this now. You guys see what that look like. Okay. Tomato, cucumber, pepper, and onion. That's it. So now I'm gonna do the lettuce, and then we're gonna combine everything together. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my, this is so gorgeous. So guys, I'm back. So now I'm gonna do the remain lettuce. So I finished with the cucumber, the pepper, and the tomato and the onion, and there they are. And now I am going to do the lettuce, the remain lettuce. So let me get rid of this. Don't need that. You don't need to cut them too big. Just like that. And put them in this bowl. So now after I did that, now I'm gonna make some vinaigrette. So I use 3 lime, which is a 1/4 cup of lime juice. I have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and then I have 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and then I have 1 teaspoon of lime zest. So my lime zest is I got a lime, and I use the zest from the lime. 1 teaspoon of lime zest. There we go. And then I'm gonna combine this together, and then I'm gonna put it in my saucepan and let it simmer till it get a little thicken. So now we're cooking this down, and you also need a tablespoon of Thai chili sauce. Sweet chili sauce or regular chili sauce, you need a tablespoon of that. So I'm gonna make this marinate, cook this down a little bit till it get a little thicken. Okay, so this is the dressing for the salad. Okay, so now it's finished. So I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of the vinaigrette that I make over the lettuce just to quail it a bit, and then mix it up together. Drizzle out like that. Mix this together. And just mix this up a little bit. Yeah. And then now you can separate it because it's 5 servings. So you can separate the lettuce. So now I'm gonna put this in, mix this together. Oh my gosh, this is so yumcious. This looks so delicious. I'm gonna put the dressing on it now over top. Stir some of it over it. Stirring the, and the beef. Ooh. Stirring the beef. You can toss it. So guys, this is it. I come to the end of my video now. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. And now I'm gonna have my two favorite guinea pig dive in. No wonder it not pick up because the something not turn right. Turn back way. Guys, this is just a stir fry Thai salad, okay?
I'll take this one.
Oh, so why my granddaughter pick that one?
Because I see there's more beef in this one.
This look good though.
Guys, as you can see, like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so Mama Joan share her Thai stir fry beef salad with you guys. It's a little bit time consuming to put it together, but it's a delicious salad, okay, with the beef well nicely trimmed, you know, and you guys will enjoy it. Okay guys, so I will see you in the next one.
Juicy.
Juicy? Okay.